Ever pondered the workings of while loops in JavaScript? Well, that's the puzzle we're aiming to solve today. A while loop in JavaScript is a core looping structure. It persistently executes a block of code as long as a specified condition evaluates to true. If, however, the condition is false from the outset, the loop will not execute even once. Here's how a while loop syntax looks in JavaScript. While condition, breaking it down, we have two key elements. First, the condition. This is the expression evaluated prior to each iteration. If the condition holds true, the loop runs. If it turns false, the loop ceases. Second, the code block. This is the code enclosed within the curly braces that will be executed again and again as long as the condition remains true. Output. Let's walk through a few examples. Example 1. A simple while loop. Imagine we have a variable I initialized to 0. We want to print its value as long as it is less than 5. For each iteration, we increment I by 1. The loop ceases when I is no longer less than 5. Output. Example 2. Processing user input with a while loop. In this scenario, we have a loop that runs indefinitely until the user enters a number greater than 10. Once the condition is met, the loop breaks. Example 3. A while loop iterating over an array. In this instance, we're using a while loop to iterate over an array of fruits. The loop continues as long as our counter I is less than the length of the array. Inside the loop, we access each element of the array using I and then increment I after each iteration. Output. In conclusion, while loops in JavaScript provide a powerful way to repeatedly execute a block of code based on a condition. These loops are fundamental to programming in JavaScript, and understanding them can significantly enhance your coding skills. Remember, the syntax is simple: a while keyword, a condition within parentheses, and a block of code within curly braces. The loop will continue to run as long as the condition remains true. And that's the magic of while loops in JavaScript. So, go ahead and experiment with these loops and unlock new programming possibilities.